how to request a replacement Discover debit or credit card on desktop. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how to request a replacement Discover debit or credit card on desktop. So first thing, just head over to discover.com and any of your browser, and once you successfully log into your account after tapping on this login button and entering your login credentials such as your user ID and password, you just need to navigate to your account summary to select the card you need to replace. So make sure to log in to your account for that reason, and just look for an option to replace a card or report lost or stolen or card not working options, and simply follow the on-screen instructions to provide details about why you need a replacement. And alternatively, you can also head over to your contact service or customer service page and simply call any one of these numbers over here to directly contact about your issue regarding your replacement of debit or credit card of for Discover Bank. So that is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.